Git config. After installing Git, the first thing you need to do is tell Git who you are. Just type this in your terminal. Git init. This command turns your normal folder into a Git folder. From now on, Git watches everything you do inside that folder. Git clone. Wanna copy someone else's project from GitHub? This command helps you do that. While you can also just go and click on download in GitHub, this one looks much cooler. Git add. Once you have made changes to your folder, whether it's creating, modifying, or deleting, now it's time to save your changes in your machine. Pay attention in your machine, not in GitHub. Git status. If you forgot what you have changed, you can use this command to check the history, or type this command to see unsaved changes. Or better, just click on this icon in VS Code, it shows all the details in nice UI. Git commit. Before we put all those changes on the internet for others to see, we need to give it a name. Oftentimes, the name, aka message, should tell what you actually change, so other developers can understand without reviewing your code. Git push. Now it's time to yeet your code to GitHub. Git pull. If someone else changed your code and pushed it on GitHub, it won't magically appear in your computer unless you write this command. Git log. You can view all your past changes, see your decisions, and regret why you started this project in the first place. And if you are enjoying the video, you can always do Git subscribe. Thank you. Git checkout. Now, if you actually want to time travel to that specific change in the past, then use this command. Just note, with this, you cannot change the history. Git reset and revert. But what if you could change the history? Well, there are three options. Git reset hard. This basically deletes everything after the commit like it wasn't there in the first place. Just be careful, there is no undo button. Git reset soft. Unlike the first option, this one does not erase your history and keeps all your changes staged. Git revert. Basically, it creates a new commit and connects that past change to your current code without rewriting the history. Now, if you want to be like Doctor Strange and want to create a new timeline to experiment with things instead of ruining your own, well, with Git, you can. Any changes you make, commit, and push remains on the timeline. And the crazy part, you can create as many timelines as you want. Git branch. It shows all the timelines, aka branches, you have created. Git merge. Once you have experimented with those timelines, you need to bring back the lessons you have learned into your current one. Because why did you create a new timeline in the first place, right? Also, just pray there is no merge conflict, otherwise you are screwed. Git tag. Hit a big milestone in your project, tag it. Edit a new feature, tag it. Fixed a bug that took you 8 days to solve it, tag it. Rewrote your entire codebase, tag it. Think of tags as checkpoints in a video game. And the cool thing with Git, after you have created those checkpoints, you can always come back to any one of them with this simple command. Now, people use this semantic versioning to name their checkpoints. I guess it's a common standard among community, but you can name your checkpoints whatever you want. Git help. If you forgot everything I told throughout this video, well, that's what it's for.